Hi, so we're just here at the Aranzu Panel Builders, and on my right here we've just got the diverter valve panel controller, just a battery backup system and the controlling logic for the valve. The panel takes in a 1000 volt supply, drops it down to 230, and then we can run it through some breakers and we can power all our components over here. Okay, yeah, so the main feature behind this panel, the main benefit behind this panel is this 200 amp hour battery backup supply we have here. We've got a 3000 volt amp inverter. We got an automatic transover switch, basically maintains power in this panel the whole time.
The valve itself will normally sit on the ceiling or the hanging wall. This allows the control room to actually be able to control it remotely and change their flow from port A to port B on the valve. The control head itself has 10-meter extension cable, so in the event that you ever need to actually have direct access to the actuator head, that will be positioned on the panel frame and you can come and have local or manual control of the valve. This panel operates through a remote I/O cards, but the panels are fully customizable, so we can make the panels either Marshall panels or full PLC control. The control of the actuator itself can be either 24 volt control, or we can do Profinet, Profibus, you name it, we will customize the panel to do the control that you need.
So we also customize the power input. So we've got a 1000 volt transformer, we can take a 1000 volt input, stepping it down to 230 volts, and then we can then run all our components.
So the transformers themselves are also customizable to your site requirements, so whatever your site incoming voltage is, we can step that down to the correct voltage level. And then the actuator voltage level we can also change, so if it's 230 volts, if it's 110 volts, if it's 400 volts, that's also fully customizable.
On the interior here we've got a Cisco switch which is communicating with our Allen Bradley remote I/O cards. We use this through all the distribution to then power and control our controller head here on the outside. So at the moment the controller head is just in a disassembled state, busy with testing. So we just got the front of the panel here with our 2 isolators for the 1000 volt supply and then for the backup battery system. Both of these stop the user from opening the door while the panel's powered up. We've got an emergency stop there which triggers the valve, and we just got some lights to indicate the state that the panel and the valve is in.